Today we'll be talking about substitution in formulae. Don't forget we're still under subject of the formula. This is just another part of it. Subject of the formulae. Talking about that, let's take into consideration an equation of v square equals to u square plus 2as. Science students, I think we know what this is. This is an equation of motion. We have to express a in terms of all other values. That is, you have to make your a subject of the formula. And let's say you are told to find a when your v equals 20, your u equals 0, and your s is equals to 10. You have to look for a. That means after you've made your a subject of the formula, you have to substitute all these variables with the value you're being given. That means you're already following the formula for the substitution in formulae. So let's go on, please. Don't get carried away. You have your v square to be equals to u square plus 2as. The first thing you do is what? Yes, you transfer your u to the other side. Then you have your 2as to be equals to v square minus u square. We're making a subject of formula. We don't need 2 here nor s here. That means we have to eliminate them. How do you propose we do that? Yes, divide both sides by what? 2s. Dividing both sides by 2s, eliminate 2s from this side, leaving you with a, and you have v square minus u square over 2s. You can simply write this formula by substituting it again with all these value, and whereby your v is 20, you have 20 square, your u is 0 square, and you have your 2 multiplied by your s, which is 10. From here you can say your a is 20 square will give you what? Yes, 400. 20 square will give you 400. You might be thinking of how I got it easily. I've dropped some tricks on multiplications and on some other things in mathematics on how you can do multiplication of numbers, bigger numbers to be precise, as easy as 2 plus 2. So let's go on, please. You have your 400. Your 0 square is still 0. And if you subtract your 0 from 400, you'll still be having 400. Divided by your 2 multiplied by 10, which will give you 20. And your 400 divided by 20 will give you what? Yes, 20. That is, your a is equals to 20. Let's try another example on substitution in formulae. In this one, you have your PV equals to RT, and you're told to find R when P equals to 90, your V equals to 10, and your T is equals to 300. So how do you do that? You make your R subject of the formula first. This is quite straightforward. Eliminating T from this side is very simple. You have PV equals to RT. Then what do? Yes, you divide both sides by T. You have your R to be PV over T. That's quite simple. Substitute all this by their number. You have your P to be 90, multiplied by your V to be 100. Everything divided by what? Yes, 300. Can you see it's quite simple? Your 90 multiplied by 100 will give you what? 9,000 divided by 300. You have your 0 to cancel 0, 0 to cancel 0, and you have your 3 to divide this, and you are left with what? Yes, 30. So your R is equals to 30. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for the video on variation, and don't forget to on your notification bell so immediately I drop the video you'll be notified. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any problem or any question to ask on what we've been doing so far, please drop it in the comment section below and you'll get your reply as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.